In this video, I'm showing you how to make these beautiful spiral earrings. This is Bono's channel and welcome to another jewelry tutorial using simple crochet methods and techniques. For both this model and the tutorial, I'm using a super fine yarn and a 1.5mm hook. Now let's begin. The number of chains depends on the length you want for your earrings. For this tutorial, I'm doing 40 chains. And in each chain, I'm doing a single crochet stitch. While doing the last single crochet of this row, I'm adding the orange yarn. Now in the first stitch, I'm doing 2 chains, turning the work over, and in the same first stitch, I'm making 2 half double crochet stitch. And from the second stitch on, I'm making 1 half double crochet, 1 chain, 1 half double crochet in each stitch. And it would look like this in the end. Now I'm adding the cyan yarn. I'm making 3 chains in the first stitch, and in that same stitch, I'm making a new stitch which I would call double crochet plus. And this is how I'm doing that. I'm starting and pulling the thread like a double crochet stitch and then taking the first loop on the hook separately and the other loops in pairs. Now in the space between these 2 stitches, I'm making 3 double crochet plus. I'm repeating this till the end of this row. the result would be like this. For the last row, I'm adding a yellow yarn. I'm making a chain. In the next stitch, I'm making one slip stitch and once again I'm making one chain, and then in the next stitch one slip stitch, and keep this going till the end. Afterwards, when we are done, we can twist it like this and install a fishhook closure to each earring. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and hit subscribe. I'm wishing you a great day.